How to contact McDonald's customer service. Let's get started. Launch your McDonald's app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of more. Once you're in the more page, scroll all the way down. Here you will see the option of contact us. Click on that option. You'll be directed to this page. Now from here you can easily contact to McDonald's customer service. First up, you can go ahead and select the topic for which you are having the issue. Then select the state. Then select the McDonald's restaurant branch. Now here type in the feedback or suggestion of yours. Then provide your personal details, name, age, contact number, email address, town, city, postcode, state. Then check in for these options. Ensure everything is correct, and once you check that, you can send it. Now McDonald's customer service team will get back to you within 24 hours. So this way you can easily contact McDonald's customer service. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.